Hello, everybody, and what's up? And welcome to Cooking with Kel. I've been off the scenes for a minute because I've been doing some transition and moving, and I'm in my new spot right now. And this is a new spot for me, and this is where I'm gonna be bringing you my episodes of Cooking with Kel, and also my episodes of Talking with Kel as well. It's been a minute. I know I ain't been on in a while, and I ain't been cooking nothing, and I ain't been doing nothing. The last thing I did for y'all was the holiday stuff, and that was the eggnog pralines and the eggnog pralines. I also did the French vanilla pralines as well. I also did something for Thanksgiving. I did a ham, some stuffed peppers, and a lot of other stuff, holiday food. But I'm coming back at you live. Today is February the 24th, 2021. I'm getting back on the scene. Like I said, I've been doing a lot of moving and a lot of transition on moving and stuff like that. So I'm going to come back with these videos, get back at it. You know, my schedule been so busy. That's why I haven't been bringing you videos. But let me just give you a little walkthrough. This is going to be something like a little vlog. Let me just give you a little walkthrough of my little apartment, you know. Okay, as we can see, we're in the kitchen, and right now, yes, you can see this is my new little kitchen. This is where it's going to be going down at right here, Cooking with Kel. This is my new little spot, and as you can see, I got some chicken right here up in the zinc. Getting ready to wash that out, cause we about to fry that bad boy. I'm not doing nothing special today, but just some chicken and red beans and rice and stuff like that. This is gonna be my first meal that I ever cooked up in this new apartment since I moved in here. I just moved everything yesterday in here, so just bear with me on the videos. And as you can see, I got to eat, so I got me some red beans cooking up here with smoked sausages, and also, like I said, with the smoked sausages and red beans, I'm gonna have that chicken right there. Once I get that prepared and get that seasoned up. Also, right here, I did some rice that right here in my rice cooker. Yeah, I took a shortcut with the cooking it from the stove, because right now, like I said, I'm just moving, trying to get everything organized, and that's my rice cooker, and it's my air fryer. I know a lot of people are scared of these air fryers, but that's, I love them. I can cook with anything you put in front of me. That's why it's Cooking with Kel. But I'm just doing that little meal for the day for me, because I'm still busy. Let's just take a little walk through. This is my little apartment, you know, like I said, it's just a little storage room right here. You know, that's where the AC unit and all that is. This here just where I keep all my little, you know, washer and dryer, you know, my little stuff got piled up in there, you know, because my room space is so tight right now. This is the bathroom area, you know. This got everything going in there, so let's back up out of there. And I'm going to turn around to this area here. This is the bedroom. This is my little spot right here. This the bedroom where stuff going to go down at right there, you know. Also, as you can see, I still got a lot of stuff I'm cleaning up, trying to get everything organized. But I just wanted to get y'all a little taste of. That's my little mini refrigerator that I keep my water in when I'm by the bed. So I wanted to keep getting up, going to the big refrigerator. This is my closet, almost similar to a walk-in closet, but all the clothes I got, it held everything and still got space to go. I just got it spaced out like that to make it look full. But other than that, people, this is the new spot until I buy me a house. And once I buy me a house, and then we'll start up Cooking Kel with another house, you know. So with all the blessings that I've been getting, the Lord been blessing me. So I'm just trying to take my own game to another level on everything. So just wanted to bring you guys a little blog and give you a little taste of my little new spot. Also, let me show y'all, I got the windows cracked right now, but they do have a pool in these apartments. I don't know if y'all can see that pool. I don't really want to open up my blinds, but if you look at there, oh man, that's a beautiful pool right there. Y'all know y'all see that, but I'll give y'all a good shot one day when I feel like opening the windows, or if I go sit by a pool site. I'll show y'all that. And of course, this is my mother area. This is her little visual that I keep, in remembrance of her, because that was my heart. And I'll never forget her, never forget what she did and sacrificed to bring me up, and me and my sister, Gaynell. So I just, everywhere I go, as long as I'm living, this is going to be her visual. And I'm going to upgrade it wherever I move, whatever I'm doing. I love my mama. And let me just flip it this way so the video can be a little wider. But love my mama, love your mama, and get your rest. And I wish you can be here to see me doing new things and got a new spot. But I know you're here in spirit. So let me finish showing the people. Now, this is the balcony, my own little private balcony. Let me pull that back. It might be a little foggy because I'm cooking in here and it's sweating. But this is my balcony, my only private balcony. As you can see, got a cover over the top, which is I'm glad because when it rains, I ain't got to worry about that rain coming in here. When I'm sitting out there on the balcony chilling and probably listening to some good music and stuff. So it's gonna go down out there on there once I get everything settled in with that. So I just wanted to take you on a little tour. Also, if you can see, I got the projector rolling. Right now I'm looking at one of my shows, NYPD, well, not NYPD, but the Chicago PD. That's one of my favorite little episodes, the TV series, so once I get the place fixed up better, I'll give y'all keep your heads up and let y'all see how I progress, how I'm living, how I'm doing things, how I'm trying to set some goals and do something different for the future, So let me flip that back on it. But yeah, I'm back in business. Cooking with Kel, going to be airing each and every time I get a chance, and each and every week I'm gonna be bringing you videos, talking with Kel and cooking with Kel as well. Let me flip that back because it looks like I'm looking in the air somewhere. Because I'm using my camera phone to shoot this video. But I just wanted to give y'all a little taste of where I've been at, what I've been doing, and been working. And then I took on another little job right now at another establishment, so just trying to get this money, trying to make things happen, trying to get stuff caught up, just trying to do my thing like we've been doing, and just trying to live and be happy. And when I get ready to retire, I want to be able to go anywhere I want, buy what I want, and thank all the people that helped me, came along to get to them stages. And thanks to people that always looking out for me and calling me and giving me a hand here and there, and always making sure your boy good and safe and protected. And thanks for my sister from being a sister and doing what she do, and she been helping me out as well. And been rough, since my mother passed away. Been a little rough, but I'm like I said, I'm still taking one day at a time. The Lord's still blessing me to get up in each and every day and do what I do. I'll go to work. I'm a hustler. I do what I do. I go to work. I'll come home, chill, cook, whatever. And I'm gonna continue doing those things as long as I can. So I just wanted to bring y'all a little video today. On this here Wednesday, February the 24th, 2021. Because I know I've been out of action. I know y'all been wondering, where Kel at? What Kel at? What cooking with Kel at? What talking with Kel at? What the videos? I got so many people that I've been letting know that I'll be on YouTube, So I know they wondering where you been at, But like I said, I've been in the transition of moving around and stuff, leaving one apartment, coming to another one. I like this one better, so I'm gonna be here a while, like I said, until I buy me a house and to the Lord steer me in the way He want me to go. I know y'all see that background in my glasses. Don't worry about that. That's the projector shooting off the wall into my glasses, into whatever y'all see. But I just wanted to like kick it with you guys. Hey, I'm back. I'm getting things situated. I'm still getting things organized. So bear with me on these videos. Like I said, I'm gonna be bringing you videos of everything I cook, everything I make, everything I bake. You know, because I cook. Not only do I cook, but I bake cakes. I do praline candies. I do any dessert that you put in front of me. If I something I don't know, I'll look it up and I'll flip it and make it my way. You know. And if it's something that you like, especially like my bread pudding, oh man, I can't wait to make some of that. It's gonna go down in this bad boy here. You know, I see some big things happening. You know, we're going higher, and you know, like I said, we're going higher and higher. You know, can't let nothing bring me back, well, bring me down. So we gonna go higher from here. You know, take every day, one day at a time. Thank God for blessing me for the get to the stages that I get to. Thank Him for waking me up, first of all, and He get all the glory, y'all. God get all the glory. So thank Him for waking me up. Thank Him for letting me be able to do the things I do, giving me the strength and the power and the mindset to do it. You know, thank Him for putting a lot of people around me that look out for me, help me out when I fall short or fall down. They pick me up, and there's 9 times out of 10 I don't fall too hard, but it's just been a couple of rough months, but I'm back, doing things and making things happen, and like I said, got people looking out for me, and I thank all my coworkers, I thank all my friends, family, everybody that's looking out and reaching out, especially my sister, so my kids, I love all of them, and I wish them to be successful as well. Um, and once I do everything, I'll be able to get with each one of them and bless them as well. And I want them to be blessed to do their own thing and be successful at whatever they decide their career gonna be. I don't want them to do what I'm doing. I want them to do their own thing and follow their own dreams because everybody got their own dreams. But other than that, I want everybody to be successful. I pray for everybody to be safe when you're going out there. And also, folks, it's getting ridiculous. We are bad enough. We got COVID-19 and all these other COVID coronas and all that stuff going on. Stop the killing and the foolishness. All the learn to love each other, man. It's ridiculous. Dudes out there carjacking women. Now they starting to do some of the men, I guess. I don't know what's going on with the world. I can't control the world. That's something out of my hand. But y'all need to just straighten up. I hope the world be a better place in the future sometime. Because right now it's pitiful, and the things people doing right now. I know it's hard times, and politics doing what they doing and all that, but just keep them a good mind frame. Sometimes we all fall short and fall hard, but we can pick ourselves back up. Like I say, dust yourself off and pick yourself back up. So. But anyway, I'm not going to get into too much of that, I just wanted to bring a video to y'all since I haven't made a video in a while and bring this little vlog to y'all. You can tell it's been a while because I'm starting to let my goatee grow again. And let me let y'all know one more time that Cooking with Kel is going to be back. Going to be slowly but surely. I'm making a comeback. Once I get the house together, the apartment together, I'm going to be bringing these videos to you back to back, so, I got to keep up with, like I said, Charlie Andrews, all the natives, all the ones that doing their cooking shows, and everybody that's into the cooking shows now. Oh, man, I follow him. I follow the Payal, the Cajun Ninja. I follow them all, I follow all the Gordon Ramsay. I follow Rachel Ray. I follow all the name brands in the food industry right now in the food culture. So, I learned from my mother, from raising me. I learned how to cook from her. As a kid, I got her skills. Plus, I was in the restaurant business for 5 years. I learned a lot of stuff in the restaurant business. Been around the block in there. So, and now I'm doing my thing, and I'm trying to make my building grow, my stuff grow. I want to one day have my restaurant going and open up me a nice chain of restaurants, not just one, but a chain of restaurants, So I got a lot of work to do, And I ain't getting no younger. I ain't no spring chicken neither no more, but I ain't getting no younger. So we're going to make things happen. And we can't do it without Christ, you know. God get all the glory on everything we do, even when we waking up. And even these red beans and rice I'm cooking tonight with this chicken, God gonna get the glory. I wish he could come taste something with me and we sit at the table. But I remember he had the Last Supper, so you know. So one day he can come to this table and eat it anytime he want, you know. But other than that, folks, let me just flip the camera back again. Just give y'all a little presentation of what I'm working with right now, and you know, I'm gonna keep the name of this apartment complex confidential, for confidential reasons and safety reasons and all other kind of stuff. But right now, your boy's in here cooking these red beans, got them suckers boiling. About to add a little more butter in there, and get them bad boys creamed up a little more the way I like it, because I like butter in my beans. Some people might like them, some people might don't. You cook them how you want. That's your beans. You got to eat them. But I'm about to get in this chicken, get this bad boy going, season them up, and after I finish everything, folks, I'll give y'all a little taste of how everything turned out. And until then, peace out. Remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Also make comments. Leave a comment in the comment section. Do what you have to do. I have to keep reminding y'all, hit the like button. It's down there. You're going to see my face on there. You're going to see me in my little chef hat and all that good stuff. So hit the like. And for the people that haven't subscribed to my page, please go and subscribe to my page. Can't miss it. It's just Kelvin Ramsey on YouTube. So, and also I'm on Facebook as Mr. Scorpio Ramsey. On Instagram, Mr. Scorpio Ramsey 13 or Mr. Scorpio 13 on there. Facebook, like I said, Mr. Scorpio Ramsey. Whatever. I'm all over the place, especially on YouTube. So go hit that YouTube button, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Holler at your boy. I'll talk to y'all later. I'm going to give y'all a final presentation when I finish cooking these red beans and plate it up and let y'all see how it came out. And then I'll be, like I said, once I get settled in and get back to cooking and doing what I need to do, I'm going to be bringing these videos back to back to y'all. So look out for those videos. Until then, peace. I love you guys. Have fun, stay safe, and do your thing. Don't let nobody stop your dreams, and don't let nobody tell you can't do nothing. You can do what you want to do if you want to. It's up to you to want it. And I want it. And I'm going to do it. That's why I'm doing it now. So let me do these red beans and let me get this here stuff going. And I'll holler at y'all. So peace out. Love you guys. Peace.